Konnyichiwa minasan, Danny des, and today I'll be doing another Japanese snack haul with you guys. I got another one of my monthly subscription boxes from Taste Japan. I'll link them down in the description below. And I wanted to show you the August box that I just got the other day. So, here's a box filled with goodies. And as usual, they come with a little pamphlet filled with information on all the snacks. So I will go through it using this. So let's see. The first one is Gyaga Shio Bata, which shio is salt and bata is butter. So it looks like salted butter chips. Japanese potato skins, fried and lightly salted. Okay, so let's find them in my box. Here they are. It's a little trial-sized one, but there is a large one in here. So they always give you at least one large, like full-sized bag of like chips or something. So that's really good. So let's try these. Again, here's the package. Ooh, they smell very buttery. Whoa. This is a big circular chip. See? Let's try it. Itadakimasu. It tastes, the taste is good. It kind of tastes like a freshly buttered piece of corn, actually. It's not a potato chip, it's kind of like a wafer. Yeah. See, it's very thin. It's not a potato chip. It's a wafer kind of thing. The taste is good. It's very buttery. They're okay. I expected them to be potato chips, but they're not. But they're still good. Okay, so the next one on the list is Kuri Udo Meshi. Oh, this is the Monster Hunter snack that I got, and I was very, very surprised when I opened up the box. I was so happy. I love Monster Hunter, for anybody that's wondering. And if there are any Monster Hunter fans out there, woo! Okay, so it's Hunter Food recovery drink flavor. So that's really cute. Those of you who know the game series Monster Hunter may be familiar. They are hard, gummy, honey candies. Alright, so I guess they're honey flavored. And the packaging was really cute. See, it looks like a businessman, Kaishin is businessman, in Monster Hunter armor. Rathalos, to be exact. And it's really cute. There's a little kitty. Really cute packaging. So let's try these out. They smell good. And it looks like what's that thing? Like that gum. Okay, so it has a hard shell. It's a sour shell. And the gummy on the inside is honey flavored. And it's not a soft gummy, it's kind of like a hard gummy. So it takes a while for you to chew. But it's good flavor. I like the sour shell on the outside. Very good. It's just adorable. I just love this packaging. Look at that. Look at that guy. Love it. Yeah, so these are good. These are so far better than those shiobata chips. Okay, next one. Sugini. Shon. Rich cheese flavor. Crisps. Quite similar to British knickknacks. I'm not familiar with knickknacks. If any of you guys are, let me know if they are similar after I try them. Great party finger food. There's even a chance to win free beer on the pack. Oh, but Japan only. Oh well. Well, if I do win it, maybe I'll just save it, in case, when I go back to Japan. Okay, so let's try Shion. Okay, this was the full-sized snack bag. Shion. Looks like cheese fondue. See the picture? It has some cute illustrations on the back. See the little weird kitty man. So let's try it. Looks just like Cheetos. Crispy Cheetos. They do. See? Looks just like a Cheeto, a crunchy Cheeto. Put this down. Okay, let's try. Yes, it tastes just like a Cheeto. But it doesn't have as much of a cheese flavor as Cheetos. But it's just like Cheetos. And I like Cheetos, especially the crunchy ones. So these, another thumbs up from Chan. Okay. So that goes that. Let me get some of my drink here. Oh, this is my favorite tea, by the way. It says Oishi on the front. It's a black tea. Tasty Plains, I think it said. Afternoon tea, Tasty Plains. This is my favorite black tea right now. Excuse me. Okay, next is Konnyaku Jelly. Now, I know that it sounds like I'm saying cognac, as in the alcoholic beverage, but konnyaku is actually Japanese for yam, sweet potato. It's funny because when I first learned this word, we were doing katakana studies, and she would write out the thing in katakana, and we would sound it out and then figure out what the loan word is. So when I saw this word, I was like, oh, I know what this is. It's cognac. She's like, yeah, it's konnyaku. I was like, is it alcohol? And she goes, no, it's yam. And I was like, oh, sounds just like cognac. There must be a reason for that. Anyway, if there is a reason for it and I'm just being stupid, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know if there is a reason why it's called Konnyaku. Okay, so Konnyaku Jelly is a sweet jelly tube which is made from yams. Oishi, it says. Doesn't sound too appetizing to me, does it? Let's see, okay, this is interesting. So, this is it. It's tubes of jelly. Konnyaku jelly, yam jelly, in all different colors. And I'm guessing this is a little yam character down here. Itadakimasu. I think that it's yam, but with other flavoring, because I see other fruits and stuff on the tube. There's like melons and apples. So apple in Japanese is ringo, dingo. And there's melon. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff on here. And cherries and oranges, orange. Yeah. So, I don't know how jelly-like this is. I'm afraid that I'm gonna get it all over the place, but I'm gonna open up the top. Shoot! Okay. Sorry, I don't want it to get all over the place. Okay, I think I got it open enough. Okay, see? It's coming out. It's kind of jelly. Okay. Okay, the whole thing came out. So. It doesn't really taste like anything. I kind of taste a little bit of the apple. But it really just tasted like I was eating a big slug. Kind of. It was not appetizing. It's very slimy. And once you started, eating it, you can't bite it. You just gotta eat the whole thing. That was interesting. I don't give that a high rating. So, sorry, Konnyaku Jelly. And oh boy, I have 4 left. Yay. Okay, so let's continue. Sugi ni. Suika gummy. Yes. Alright, I love Suika. Suika is watermelon in Japanese. And I love gummy candies too. So this is Suika gummy. Big part of Japanese summer. Cute pack of Suika shaped gummies. Okay. Easy enough. Here it is. Suika gummy. Suika gummy. Looks very cute. I know I'm gonna like these. So let's see. Ooh, I could smell them already. Whoa. Didn't take such a big whiff. Okay, so here it is. It actually has some watermelon seeds, it looks like, in there. That's a good sign. That is good. These I like. Looks like they have watermelon and then another color. Let's see if I can get... Yeah. Is the other color? Very good. They taste very similar to those, what's the company name that makes those gummies? Kasugi? Kasugi gummies? I can't remember what they're called. They're very popular. They come in a whole bunch of different flavors. My favorite is the kiwi gummies in that brand. They're very good. And this is very similar. Tastes almost just like them. Very good. This is number 1 so far. Ichiban. Ichiban. What else? Disney Pop Can, it says. Disney is hugely popular in Japan, and this cute Disney Lollipop / popsicle is available in one of 6 character themes and flavors. Which one will you get? Oh. Okay, a Disney item. It has Winnie the Pooh. Sorry, the glare. Yeah, sorry. Winnie the Pooh and Tigger are on it. And it looks like it's peach flavor, Momo. So let's open it. I'm gonna try and open it. I thought I could just pop it open, but it didn't work. Okay, I think I'm getting it. I'm sorry. I know it's gonna be so hard to open. Yeah. Got it. think. I'm sorry, everybody. I'm trying. Do I have scissors? Scissor that works? Well, I wanted to make this video shorter than the other one, but it's not really working. Anyway. Okay, it's a Mickey Mouse head. Pretty. It's very cute. That's Peach, alright. Alright, well, I can't eat the whole lollipop on the air, so I will put it back in its package and finish it after the video. But that's very cute. There's nothing special, but it's cute. They probably had, you know, a bunch of different characters on the wrapper, I guess, and all of them look like Mickey Mouse. I'm looking at the picture here. I see that there's Mickey and Pluto, Minnie and Daisy, Daisy and Donald, the one I have, and Stitch, and that other character in Stitch. I can't remember. I haven't seen that movie in a long time. But yeah, and there's another one, but I can't see it because it's faded out a lot on the printout. That's very cute. Alright, the next one is Manzoku bar. Manzoku means satisfaction, and satisfied is just what you'll be after chomping on this double chocolate tart flavored shortcake bar. Well, I hope that they live up to all the hype, because that was some description. It does look good. I don't know what the things are that are in it, because I see some little pieces. You see those little kind of like fruitcake looking things inside? That doesn't look too appetizing. But let's see. Oh, it's like a cookie. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Well, that does look good. So let's try it. Itadakimasu. It is not bad. But you know, as usual, all chocolate things in Japan have a muted flavor compared to American taste. They don't use a lot of sugar and such, which is good, don't get me wrong. But you know, the chocolate doesn't really have much flavor. But it's good. It's a nice kind of like a brownie consistency with a cookie on the bottom. And I didn't really get any bits on the inside, so I don't know what those bits are. But it's very good. Get a thumbs up from me. Okay. Now, there's one more, and it looks like it's another one of those DIY candy kits. It's called Sunagete Ramune. A kind of DIY ramune, which is those sodas with the little marbles in them. The kids' drinks, but I love them. They're fun to drink. And try to connect the pieces and make a long chain. Okay. It looks cute. It has like these pieces that you could link. If I don't have to do anything, I'll show you this right now. Like if I have to construct these little things or something, like make them, I'm not gonna do it. Oh good, I don't have to do anything. You just connect them. So I'll show you. Oh wow, they really smell like ramune. So here they are. They're a bunch of little shapes. Can you see them? See? Oh, they're kind of hard. So I tried to link them together and it broke. So let me try one. It's good. It tastes just like namune. It has the consistency of gum. But I don't think it is. No. Alright, so it's nothing special, but let me try and link one. Alright, yeah, so there you go. See? It's hard to link them because I'm afraid they'll break. Yeah, you gotta be really careful. But there you go. It's not really that fun to play with your food, but whatever. Okay. So, that was it. Deck tap. Well done. So, let's see. What's my ratings? I say that those, Konnyaku Jelly is, the least. After that is the, Disney Pop Can Lollipop, because it wasn't really much to it. It was cute and all, but, After that would be the Shio Bata chip thingies. After that would be the Damune DIY kit. After that is the Manzoku bar, the chocolate bar. After that are the Shion, those Cheeto chips. And then the top two would be the Suika gummy and the Monster Hunter recovery drink flavored gummies. Just because it's Monster Hunter. It wasn't that great of a snack, but I'm sorry, I'm a big fan and I can't not give it a high rating. Okay, so that is it for this, my second Taste Japan monthly snack box review. If you liked it, please like this video. Feel free to comment if you have any questions about any of the snacks that I showed you today. Also, if you have any recommendations for snacks, I'm always welcome to hear them. I stop at a Japanese convenience store like once a week, so I'll look and see if they have anything. And thanks again. If you haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe. I've been trying to make a video and such more frequently now. It's kind of hard to do it every week, but I try my best. So again, thank you to everybody who has continued to watch me, even though I've been on hiatus. And thanks again. どうもありがとうございます。Bye bye everybody. ではまた。